Hello everyone, it's Marilyn. Welcome to my channel. I have a new layout tutorial to share with you today that I made with the September limited edition kit by My Creative Scrapbook. I started cutting out this butterfly from this paper. It comes in this side, but I'm going to use the pink, this one, for my layout. And now I'm going to place the photo to cover the negative. But first I'm going to create a mat. I'm making a mat with white cardstock, and then I'm going to make the second layer, a second mat, with one of the cards that comes in the kit. The kit is featuring this month the Misty Rose collection, the Misty Rose by Prima Marketing. I distress with my scissor the borders of the mat to give this shabby effect, vintage, to the page. Now I add here the photo, and I'm going to add here this to the paper. But first I need to prepare my paper with clear gesso. I'm going to apply a little, and with the paintbrush I will cover all the paper. Okay, now it's dry, and this is pieces of lace. You receive like a color lace, and I'm going to show you how it was. It was like that, and I cut in pieces because I want to create a design with all this lace. I think that my focal point to create the design is the lace. So I'm going to adhere one piece here, one other here, and to give a movement with the eyes in my page, I will place the other pieces in this corner. Now I will add dots of hot glue to secure the lace in this area. I'm not going to adhere all the lace at this moment because I'm going to add texture soon, but just to know where these pieces will be. Now I'm going to add texture. It is the stencil that comes this month in the kit. As you see, it has like a square shapes, but I have the lace. I'm trying to figure it out how I want to work the stencil. I'm using the modeling paste by Prima, and I'm thinking to apply the modeling paste like in a diagonal shape, because I don't want that the background look like a patch with all these squares. So I carefully apply now the modeling paste here. Here the photo and the lace, and now it's time to embellish the page with the different element. This is the butterfly that I showed you at the beginning of the tutorial, and now these are the Prima flowers, and I'm using this package that I love the colors. I mix with other pink flower from one of the packages. You receive 3 in this kit. I'm just going to play with the different elements and to create my compositions, and once I am happy how everything looks, I will start to adhere. I will let you with music during this process. Come back soon. Now I'm going to enhance or to highlight the photo and all the embellishments with this beautiful paint by Rivera. It is like a tornasol paint, and I love how it looks over the textures, and I'm going to apply around all this area. Here now some pebbles here, one in this corner, and I want to see the second one, I think here behind this flower, and I'm using a gel medium to adhere these pieces because they are in glass and are a little heavy. Now I cover my photo and I'm add white paint splatter to smooth all this area. I decided to add texture, so I paint a piece of cheesecloth. You can see here I put different pieces of this cheesecloth behind the flower and the leaf. Sorry, my camera turned off during this process, but I show you in the areas that I add these pieces of cheesecloth, and with the same hot glue I adhere here and there the cheesecloth. I'm going to adhere some pearls between the flowers and the lace. I think the mix of the lace with the pearls look beautiful. Now with a permanent ink, I'm using the Stasson, and with the Prima stamp from the kit, I'm going to make a stamp randomly around all these textures, and at the same time it gives more textures and layers to the background. I'm going to give more texture, but this time with glass bead, and I've adhered the glass bead with gel medium. Let me tell you that I found, or I bought this glass bead at the dollar store, and it's awesome. You receive in the package 6 different colors for only $1. Is awesome. So, and I already bought in blue, and I think the other package is green. So if you have a dollar store near you, check that you will get you will find this glass bead for $1. It's awesome. And I will continue adding the texture. I just love how it looks with the different pink colors on the background. And the last step is more white paint splatter. I cover the photo. I am giving white paint splatter over all the texture. It's blend and it enhances all the layers. Now you can see here all the dimensions, the layers, and the textures on my page. I really love the final result. These beauties are the granddaughters of my friend Candy. And like always, I let you in the description box down below the link to you get this kit. Also, if you want to follow me in or be friends on Facebook, Instagram, all the links are in the description box. I hope that you enjoy this video tutorial, and if you like it, let me know with a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell In that way you receive the notification. See you soon. Bye bye.